Hey guys, I'm here today to tell you about an opportunity that I'm super excited about, and it's called 123 Profits. I'm going to be sharing my personal results along with my 6-figure bonus figures. Now I know what you might be thinking, another product launch, big deal, right? But trust me, this one is different. As an affiliate marketer, I've had the chance to check it out, and let me tell you, it's going to be a game changer. Here's the deal. 123 Profits is an incredible business model that allows you to generate large commissions online with minimal efforts. And the best part, you don't have to deal with customer support, suppliers, product inventory, or any of the usual headaches that come with running an online business. But don't just take my word for it. I'll be sharing all the details with you in my review. And if you decide to purchase, click through my affiliate link in the description box below. I'll be offering some amazing bonuses as well to help you succeed. So let's talk about 123 Profits. First of all, what is CPA Marketing? CPA stands for cost per acquisition, and it's a way for companies to pay affiliates for generating leads. So let's say you're promoting a giveaway or dating offer and someone signs up for the service for free. The company might pay you just for that one lead, knowing that they can turn that lead into multiple paying customers down the line. Now, 123 Profits is a unique twist on CPA marketing. It's not the traditional model where you get paid for generating leads, but it's just as simple and easy to run. And here's the best part, you don't have to sell anything at all. All you need is a simple web page with as little as 27 words on it, targeted free traffic, and that's it. 123 Profits has an incredible track record of success, with users generating up to $10,000 per day or more. And to help you succeed, 123 Profit provides all the resources and support you need to get started and scale your business. So what's the 3-step process for generating large commissions with 123 Profits? Step 1 is to pinpoint an offer. We use networks like Max Bounty and ClickBank to find high converting offers to promote. Step 2 is to set up a simple web page. As I mentioned earlier, this can be as simple as a page with 27 words and targeted free traffic. And step 3 is all about scaling and automation. 123 Profit makes it easy to scale your business and automate the process so that you can focus on growing your income. So let's dive into the first step of generating large commissions with 123 Profits. So step 1, pinpointing an offer. This is probably one of the most important steps because the offer you choose can make all the difference in your success. To find offers to promote, you can use networks like Max Bounty and CPA Grip Offers. These networks have a wide variety of offers and different niches, so you're sure to find something that fits your interests and your audience. But how do you choose the right offer? There are a few key things to look for. First, check the payout. You want to find an offer that pays a good commission for each lead or sale. Second, check the conversion rates. A higher conversion rate means that more people are signing up or making a purchase, so it's a good indicator of an offer's effectiveness. But here's the thing, you might have to test multiple offers to find the one that works best for you. And this is where the power of 123 Profit really comes into play, because it makes it so easy to scale and automate your campaigns. So you don't have to be afraid to test different offers and just see which one performs the best. Remember, your success with 123 Profits is largely dependent on the offer you choose. So make sure to do your own research and due diligence when selecting an offer to promote. Trust me, it will be worth it in the end. So now let's dive into step 2, which is setting up a simple web page and bringing in the traffic. So step 2 of generating large commissions with 123 Profit is, of course, setting up a simple web page. And that sounds like probably one of the easiest steps, but it's also one of the most important. So what does a simple web page look like? Well, it can be as simple as a page with 27 words on it. Yes, you had that right, just 27 words, but don't let the simplicity fool you. These 27 words can be the difference between a successful campaign and the one that falls flat. Now, the key to this step is targeting free traffic to your page. This means finding ways to get people to visit your page without having to pay for ads. There are plenty of ways to do this, such as using social media, forums, and guest blogging. The more targeted traffic you can drive to your page, the more leads you're likely to generate. But of course, just having a simple web page isn't enough. You want to make sure as well that it's, of course, well designed and compelling to convert visitors into leads. So here are a few tips from me for creating a strong web page. Use a strong headline to grab attention, include a call to action to encourage visitors to take action, keep the design simple and easy to navigate, make it mobile friendly. Remember, the simplicity of 123 Profits doesn't mean you can skip on the quality of your webpage. So take the time to put thought and effort into your page to maximize its effectiveness. Step 3, scaling and automation. So welcome to the final step of generating large commissions with 123 Profits, scaling and automation. Now, if you follow the first 2 steps, you should already be well on your way to success. But with 123 Profit, the sky is honestly the limit. One of the great things about this business model is that it's designed for easy scaling and automation. This means that as your business grows, it's easy to scale up and increase your income. And with the resources and supports provided by 123 Profits, you will have everything that you need to succeed. Whether you're just starting out or you're an experienced marketer, 123 Profits makes it easy to grow your business and automate the process. From the training and support provided by the team to the powerful tools and resources available, you'll have everything you need to scale your business and generate large commissions online. So if you're ready to take your online business to the next level, make sure to click the link that I've linked for you in the description box below to join 123 Profits. With its simplicity, effectiveness and support, you'll be on your way to success in no time. But that's not all. When you purchase 123 Profit through our affiliate link, you'll also receive access to 2 bonus courses. One on making 6-figure passive income with YouTube free traffic, and another on running successful Facebook ad campaigns. These bonuses alone are worth the price of 123 Profits, so don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. You can see some of my results after using 123 Profits. I am making money by just collecting people's emails and names, and I get a commission from that. Once you access the same 3-step strategies to generate passive income, you will be able to do the same. But don't just take our word for it. Now I'm going to share my personal 6-figure bonuses for you. If you access 123 Profits by clicking the link in the video description below, then you'll also have access to my affiliate marketing course with a case study. You can see one of my students' results that are still making money with ClickBank Affiliate Marketplace. And I teach my students how to do this with YouTube free traffic because I have 6 years of experience with YouTube and affiliate marketing, which makes me 6-figure incomes on autopilot. So if you access 123 Profit, you can also learn affiliate marketing from someone who actually has had success without any investment. So go ahead and email me at support@easyprofitsformula.com after accessing 123 Profits, and you can access my affiliate marketing course. We've covered a lot in this video, but to summarize, 123 Profits is a unique twist on CPA marketing that's generating up to $10,000 per day or more for some users. With the simplicity, effectiveness and support, it's no wonder that so many people are seeing incredible results with this business model. And don't forget about the bonuses. If you purchase 123 Profit through our affiliate link in the description, you'll get access to our courses on how we've made 6 figures with YouTube free traffic. It's a no-brainer, so make sure to click the link and take advantage of this opportunity. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for updates on 123 Profits and all the latest and greatest from our team. Good luck.